Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. Today we will discuss the benefits of ginger for body health. Ginger is one of the herbal plants known for its many benefits, especially for the health of the body. You must be familiar with this plant, right? Ginger is one of the most popular traditional medicinal plants, even thousands of years ago. This is due to its benefits in maintaining health and reducing the symptoms of various diseases. Ginger is known as an herbal remedy for nausea and flu. Not only that, ginger also has many health benefits. The health benefits of ginger are derived from its two main natural compounds, gingerol and shogaol. This spicy plant is often processed into ginger drink, which is made from boiled water and ginger. To reduce the spiciness and make it more enjoyable, ginger drink can be added with other ingredients, such as honey or milk, without reducing its health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of consuming ginger drinks. 1. Solves digestive problems. Ginger has long been recognized as good for digestive health. This is because it contains compounds such as gingerol, which has the ability to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes that are important in the process of food digestion. In this way, ginger benefits help in addressing various digestive issues, including flatulence, discomfort after a heavy meal, and even more serious indigestion. 2. Boosts the immune system. Ginger is rich in antioxidants, especially gingerol, which is the compound that gives ginger its pungent flavor. These antioxidants help the body fight free radicals that damage cells and DNA. By consuming ginger regularly, you can protect your body against infection and inflammation. What's more, ginger can also help relieve the symptoms of flu and colds, thus shortening the duration of these illnesses. 3. Controlling blood sugar levels. The next health benefit of ginger is that it can control blood sugar levels in the body. Ginger is also good for heart health and blood pressure. Some studies show that compounds in ginger can help in controlling blood pressure. Gingerol compounds in ginger are able to optimize the work of the hormone insulin in helping the absorption of blood sugar by fat, muscle, and liver. People with type 2 diabetes are advised to consume ginger drink to prevent sudden increase in blood sugar. Because ginger drink is proven to be effective in maximizing the work of insulin in absorbing blood sugar. 4. Reduces inflammation. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that are beneficial in overcoming inflammation in the body. The gingerol compound in ginger is the main component that provides this benefit. Chronic inflammation can be the cause of many serious diseases such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. By consuming ginger regularly, you can help relieve inflammation, reduce symptoms such as joint pain, and improve your quality of life. Studies have also shown that ginger can help reduce the production of compounds that play a role in the inflammatory process, thus providing natural protection against diseases associated with inflammation. There are various ways to consume ginger, from tea to food additions to supplements. However, it is important to consult your doctor before consuming ginger regularly, especially if you have certain medical conditions or are taking certain medications. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.